Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the MX Master 3S. This is an upgrade from their previous version, MX Master 3. And what they've done, the click is silent. They've increased the speed of a few things, but mainly it looks exactly the same. So yeah, let's just have a quick look, see what we see in here. Bluetooth low latency. Doesn't say which kind of version of Bluetooth it is. So you should have the mouse, the dongle, charging cable and instructions, and USB-C quick charging. So quick charge 1 minute to get 3 hours of use, which is crazy. And the full charge lasts about 70 days. Yeah, Logibolt USB receiver, that's the dongle you get. And I think it's a 2 years warranty. Let's see. It works with Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome, iPad, Android. Although they do sell a Mac version of it, not really sure why. Yeah, so the ultimate productivity now with quiet click, like I said, and track on glass 8K DPI sensor. Previous one, I think it was 4K DPI sensor. Max scroll speed, I love that scroll, and the side scroll, brilliant. Yeah, speed up your workflow, comfort and support, precise and ultra fast on any surface. Yeah, that's really good. The other one was pretty nice. So let's just unbox it. So let's just nicely cut that there. Let's take this out of the way, and then let's open it up. Let's see this beautiful mouse. There's something in there. Okay. So yeah, looks exactly the same. And then some information in here. But otherwise, yeah, you hear this? So I'll show you the old one. Actually, that's the dongle, which I usually don't use because I'm using Bluetooth. I think this is just by design. There's nothing in there. They should be in here, the rest of the accessories. So you get like a really nice charging cable and some instructions. USB-C to A, which is quite useful because you could probably use it on any device these days. I normally don't use those things, so we'll just throw them away. Let's just put this away as well, safely first. So that's the MX Master 3S, and that's the MX Master 3. Obviously you will see that this has some wear and tear, but I think I got this in 2021, and I think it stood up very well. I do have sweaty hands, unfortunately, and it does affect this rubber. I wish they had something else like plastic. Instead, it would last longer. It's quite hard to find like a case for them. You could find skins. I might try and do that on this. But yeah, this is what happens in time, wear and tear. But I think it still looks pretty nice, and it's so comfortable. I just love it. So let's hear the click on this, on the old one, and that's the, yeah, it's no longer clicky. Old one, new one. Otherwise it's pretty much the same. Let's just peel this off. Listen to that. Yes. So on the back, same. So this sensor should have been upgraded on this one. Yeah, otherwise pretty much the same battery, 500 milliamp. So yeah, I think the dongle has been upgraded to their newest Logi. I forgot how it's called. Previously, it was the one that looks like a star. You could see it in here, and now they have that lightning. But otherwise, same comfortable. That's the old one. I see the new one. So that's how it sounded on the old one, Formula 1. On the new one. Obviously, this is after 1 year of wear and tear. This one, yeah, that's moving a bit. Same on that one. I think they've done something that sounds a bit less Formula 1 than the old one. And obviously the side still the same. It's exactly the same buttons. Just wanted to show you the difference obviously is in specs, and if you have this one and it's like mine, you probably want to upgrade. I mean 2021, I could still use this for a long time now, even if this peels off. So what I'm gonna do, my plan is to take this with me on the go when I work in the office, and then have this one at home. I also have the MX Master, the keyboard, I can't remember what it's called now. So it works really well with that. So yeah, otherwise I think you guys know, you just turn it on. You have you can pair it to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, and also you can pair it with the dongle. I've noticed that they don't put the little sticky thing, unless I'm not seeing it. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the Logitech MX Master 3S. Looking forward to the next generation, hopefully with some major changes, because in the last years, very little changes. So yeah, thanks for watching.